Okay, Chi, this is your last chance. Are you going to give me the dress or not?
Okay, Chi, I beg. I need that your pink dress. That one we get slits. I beg.
Which pink dress? Dress where I just buy.
Okay, Chi, you want me that dress? They just wasting destiny.
I
It's
know
not
that
shine.
a dress where I never even wear by myself. I just buy me, I carry and give you.
Okay, Chi,
Sarah, wear my wig. Wear my purse. Wear my shoe. Now you won't come carry my pink dress again on top of them. Respect yourself.
That is why you need to borrow me this dress. It's so that I go look stunning like billionaire goddess. That's not how I go bring those your things come back. I beg. Okay, Chi, do this thing now.
No matter. We be all the goddess. Oh, wear your imaginary design clothes.
No problem. With or without you, I'm going to sleep. Per daddy would still remain. Okay, Chi, this is your last chance. Are you going to give me the dress or not?
Okay, Chi.
I beg, come on for here. Shift. I will bite you. I will bite you. I will.